Unlocking the power of unity. Avengers Assemble Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're unpacking a phrase that's not only iconic in popular culture but also a fantastic example of English in action. Avengers Assemble. Whether you're a fan of superhero movies or keen on exploring English phrases, this video is for you. Let's decode its meaning, origins, and how it can inspire us in everyday communication. Before we dissect the phrase, let's understand where it comes from. Avengers Assemble is a rallying cry from the Marvel Comics universe, particularly used in the Avengers series. This command is traditionally used by the team leader to gather the superheroes for a mission or to face a threat. It embodies unity, readiness, and the start of an action. Now, let's break down the phrase into two parts: Avengers and Assemble. Avengers refers to a group of superheroes who come together to fight evil. The term avenge generally means to seek justice for a wrong. So, the Avengers are essentially those who seek justice on behalf of others. Assemble is a verb that means to come together in a single place or bring parts together to make a whole. In the context of the phrase, it's a command to gather the team. The phrase, Avengers Assemble, has transcended its comic book origins to become a symbol of teamwork, heroism, and taking action for a common cause in popular culture. It's used in movies, merchandise, and even everyday conversation among fans to evoke a sense of unity and readiness to face challenges. For English language learners, this phrase is a great example of how English is used in creative and motivational contexts. It teaches us about imperatives. The phrase is an imperative sentence, which is used to give commands or make requests. This is a key grammar point for learners to understand and practice. Cultural context. Learning phrases like this one helps learners understand cultural references that are common in English-speaking countries, especially in media and entertainment. Vocabulary. Words like avenge and assemble are not only specific to the context of superheroes but also useful in everyday English to discuss justice, teamwork, and organization. I hope this exploration of Avengers Assemble has not only shed light on its meaning and origins but also inspired you to think about the power of language in uniting us for common goals. Whether you're facing everyday challenges or embarking on new adventures, remember the strength found in coming together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on English language learning. See you in the next video.